Alright, today I'll be unboxing this Kithouse wireless microphone. So yeah, let's just do it. Okay. Oh, did I open it the wrong way? Oh, I did. Okay, it should be this way. Right. Here it is. So we get two antennas for the box. There is this manual, diagram of the functions. Alright, let's see. So it's in multiple different languages. I'll just flip through it really quickly, and you can pause if you want to look at it specifically. So there. And then next one here. Alright, and then this one. Next page. And finally this. Alright, so that is the next language. Okay, so let's see. We got this micro USB cable. Got this 3.5 millimeter cable. Got this 1/4 inch cable. Then we got this aux to RCA cable. Then some microphone covers. Power brick. Then these microphone stands. So basically you put it on the microphone so that it doesn't roll over if you like set it down somewhere. So that's what these are for. Okay, so let's take a look at one of these microphones first. So it does feel pretty well built. Okay, this is, I think, metal. Yes, this is metal. So here's the microphone, and then we have this thing in the back here. So it's powered by micro USB, so it doesn't use battery. Pretty cool. Okay. And so this is the button to press it on. So CH05, channel 5. Then let's see, press it, hold it to turn it off. Cool. Then next, here is this thing. Sorry if you can see my sweaty arms, it's because it's currently 100 degrees out in Seattle. Alright. This one, okay. So now here's the box. So we got our power button. So this one clicks in. We got our volume knob. Oh, so it is a discrete knob. So when you turn it, you hear it clicking. I'm not sure if it doesn't need to focus, but yeah, I do hear it clicking. So that means this is a discrete knob, which is pretty good as well. You can get pretty fine-grained control. Okay, so we got echo and music. And all of these are discrete knobs instead of analog. And then here, so we have one for our antenna A and B. And we have a right, left in. So this is 3.5 millimeters. Right, left out, 3.5 millimeters. Mic out. And DC port. Nothing on this side. and nothing on this side. So I think with these screws here, if you buy the proper rack mount equipment, you can actually maybe put these in racks. Okay, so this is where I think the music will go in, and then this will go out this way, and mic out. Okay, this is interesting. I usually see mic in, but not mic out. So maybe this is also... I guess this is if you want to use this as only a microphone output and not as both a music and microphone pass-through. Alright, pretty cool. So that is pretty much it for this unboxing. I might make another video actually setting this up and showing steps on how to set this up for your own karaoke system. But for now, that will be it. Thanks for watching. Bye.